Timbo is in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half a meal for my beats, you get a couple grand.
Good morning! It's another day. Kaliligo lang natin. It's another day. It's Wednesday. So, duty naman tayo. Before tayo mag-call. Perfume muna tayo. Ito pa na. Kwanto yung mosquito. So hindi tayo naka-uniform ngayon kasi nasira, pinatahi pa natin. So importante naka-formal tayo, may collar, tapos naka-slack, and yung shoes, tapos yung shoes, kita ba? So dala tayo ng bote bago lumabas. Wallet, earphone natin, importante, may tumawag. Hanyap natin para tumulo yung laway natin. So ready, another padaan ng ako. Okay. So let's go guys. Nalabas tayo sa keyless ko na door. Yung electric fan ko. Off ko muna. So, all done. Ready na. Yung watch. Yung reloj ko. So, mag-wala tayo. Ayan. Mag-wala. So, nalabas na tayo sa keyless na door. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's go. See you next.